Confirm na mga kaibigan. Huwag ka muna nga alis ha. Pakinggan mo muna itong balitang ito. Confirm na po para sa mga naghahanap dito kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Sabi ni Secretary Garin, malabo nang bumalik yung dating presyo ng langis. PBBM, nasaan na po kayo? Kailangan na po kayo ng taong bayan. Lalo pat may kinaharap tayo sa krisis ng langis. Ano na po yung direktiba at gagawin po ng gobyerno natin patungkol po sa problemang ito? Gusto nyong mapanood yung buong video? Panoorin nyo ito.
I want to ask the DOE Secretary kung totoo po na may chance na aabot ng 200 pesos ang cost ng fuel natin, and kung totoo na hindi na bababa ulit below 100 pesos. Is this true?
Mr. Chair, will it go up to 200? Honestly, I don't know, and I don't think anybody knows yet, because like mentioned earlier, there was a pronouncement of a ceasefire, but there are threats going back and forth. Whenever there's a oil infrastructure destroyed in whatever country, the price spikes. Then babagsak na naman, and then suddenly something else happens. So we don't have any visibility of where this will go. And unfortunately, we are so dependent on what's happening there. So, so it could happen, depending on what the two countries do, no? But will it go down to 100? And that's actually what we've been discussing. 20% is from the Middle East, 80% from the rest of the world. Now, if the war stops today, will the 20% be able to deliver? I think it will take some months, because most of the infrastructure, especially LNG, has been destroyed. And I think LNG in Qatar will take 5 years to fix. And then all the other pipelines and all the other infrastructure of Middle East on oil. So although the war will stop, there has been structural change in the industry. So pati yung supply, 80% na lang we can rely on for now. And that is still expensive, no? Why do we get from Middle East, or why does South Korea get from Middle East? Because it's faster and cheaper. So I think the problem will stay longer than the war itself. So if it ever goes back to 100 pesos or below, it will take some time, Mr. Chair.